This is a Pfaff 134-06. It has reverse. It adjusts from 0 to 5 millimeters, maybe slightly more. The machine is a lock stitch drop feed. It operates very well. This machine has been demonstrated a similar model. The numbers are the same. You'll notice that when you watch this other video I'm referring to, put out by the sergeant, his machine appears to be of a different age, just going off of the decal on the front. But he has a lot of good information. The machine appears to be very similar. There are some subtle differences. But he shows how to thread the machine and how to load the bobbin and the case and whatnot. So I recommend you go and watch his video. He makes a lot of nice videos. Right now what I've done is I've extended the needle bar, and you can see that there is absolutely no play in that needle bar, which is good. That's what you want. So the needle bar is good. The hook's been replaced with a high quality Japanese Hirose hook. I might not be saying that correctly. Also, it has a new case in that hook. It's an Italian case. There is a foot lift in the back here that can be operated by hand. There's also integral into the machine a knee lift mechanism. Not only when you operate the knee lift does it raise the foot, it also releases tension on the tension disc so that you can remove your work from the machine. So as I lift the foot, you can see the tension released here, and then it is reapplied. I'll be demonstrating the machine sewing on this scrap, which is an old denim bag that I've cut up. It has a lining, interface, some denim, and some canvas handles that have been sewn on it. So there's with seams, there are various thicknesses, and I think it'll be a good example of what this machine can do.